Good afternoon and welcome back to my channel. We are doing Potensic Atom 2 Waypoint test. It's released just before Christmas. In fact, a nice little Christmas gift on the 24th of December. So Christmas Eve. I think it was 1.19, the iOS update, and I believe it was the version 23 of the firmware update it appeared. First chance I've actually had to test this. I've been doing other things. I'll bring into you shortly. What I would call a sleek feature. It allows you to set different waypoints, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. And you can do different things at each waypoint. Whether you can start recording, you get to waypoint 2, then you can take a picture, lower the gimbal, raise the gimbal, change the speed, altitude. Yeah, I mean, that's just brilliant, right? I mean, if you're doing something regular, like you're doing, I don't know, let's just say land development progress, and you want to map out a similar route, or the same route, in fact, each time you can save your entries. And my camera's going a bit off, so apologies for that. So you can map it out, and then you can save it, and you go back to the same location, and you can repeat it. So, and you can just rerun the process as many times, and you can see a nice transitional cinematics each time. And that would have been really handy if this was available to me earlier in the year, last year, when I was doing my land development stuff. I'm still doing that, by the way, hasn't ended. But it does also mean you have to be very aware of your visual surroundings, because if you program something in and something's changed, maybe a crane's appeared since you've last done it, it's not going to recognize that because it hasn't got optical avoidance. Halfway along the field, so let's get Dora up and test his waypoints. So stick with me, and I'll put a link on the description to someone else who has tested it and actually crashed their drone. Not dramatically, it's only about a foot or 2 feet from the ground. I'll leave that link in there because that's what I've looked at myself for some people of doing it. So I wasn't completely blind when I came out to do it and spending an hour trying to fiddle around. So let's get Dora up and test out his waypoints. So you go into your Fly app, your waypoints button there, and your C1 or C2 if you're doing a point of interest. You press C1, which is that button there, and you get your options on here. So number 1, we're obviously going to start record, I believe. Can you press camera, altitude? So your altitude will go up to 50 meters roughly, and we'll go back. Speed, that will do. Heading, that right, isn't it? Oh, you can change your heading, your gimbal tilt, yeah, that'll do. 20 roughly, yeah, that'll do. Gimbal tilt, go back to hover, nothing, heading to speed, altitude 50, start recording, camera start recording. So let's click number 1, number 2. How do I delete number 2? Number 2. So there we go. Number 2. Click on that. We're going to do the same thing, I think. Actually, we'll take a picture. We'll take a picture in that angle over there. So we'll go to everything else the same. Everything else the same. Camera, take photo. There you go. And number 3, we'll come back to there, and whether that starts recording or not, I don't know if it's carried on recording. We've got to set it record. I don't know. None. Camera action none. Start record. Oh no, we'll put start record just in case it stops. Number 4. Let's go there. I think that's the same. Do nothing, I suppose. Number 5. Basically come right back to us where we are now. Start, press go, as you can see on the screen, and let's see what Dora does. And better keep a finger on the pause button in case she wanders off and does something very, very different. One last look around us. There's people coming up, but nothing I can do about that each time. There's people everywhere, so we'll just be mindful. Okay, let's start, because we're down to like 59% battery already. Yep, I can see her. She's just about to make her turn. You can see my screen here, viewing from my Meta sunglasses. And what I do on the screen, I have the normal video mode so you can see the video, the cinematics, and now I'll put a small cropped version of what you're seeing on screen for my Meta sunglasses, so you can see both, both worlds. And she's approaching the end point. This is a really, really great feature. Really great feature. Very useful because you can record it and you can save it, and you can, if you're going to do some kind of cinematics and you want to do some sort of like evolving or transitional footage, and you keep going back to the same spot and you want to kind of repeat the video, you can keep repeating it. So if you want to see like an evolution of the seasons, for instance, it will do just that for you. And she has come to her end, so I'm going to bring it back. So if you have enjoyed this video, please feel free to like and subscribe. It's much appreciated, and leave that comment, because I do enjoy conversing with you all. And I can, if you've got any hints or tips, or I can give you some hints or tips, let me know.